Hey guys, welcome to the start of a brand new colour combo series. A little while ago, I did put up a poll on YouTube asking which brand you guys would like to see next, and the overwhelming winner was Castle Art. So for this series, I am going to be using 3 sets together, and that is the Castle Art Soft Touch 120 set, the Pastel Tint 48 set, and the 72 Harmonious set. Now both the Pastel Tints and the Harmonious sets were intended to be expansions on the current 120 Castle Art Soft Touch range. They're adding more softer, richer, subtle pastel tones and more muted colours. So rather than treating them separately, it made sense to combine the 3 sets into one complete collection. And if you've already had a look at PaletteKit, you will notice that they are all grouped together there as well. Now, since you voted on this brand for this series, I have been putting some things together behind the scenes for you all. One of my biggest jobs was matching the Harmonious pencils to the Prismacolors. They were the only Castle Arts range that was missing from my conversion chart. So that is all now complete. I've also gone through and worked out where each of the pencils sit in the color order and updated my master color swatch chart to include all 3 sets in my preferred color order. And this means if you do prefer to combine all of your sets into one case, you can now arrange them all into a smooth color order rather than keeping them in their separate sets. So before we jump into our very first color combo video with the Castle Art pencils, let's head over to the desk and take a look at all of these resources. So we're ready to get started with the new Castle Arts color combo series. Okay, now that we're over at the desk, let me quickly show you the resources that I've put together for this series, and the first one is this Harmonious to Prismacolor conversion chart. So this is brand new and it does complete my Castle Arts conversion charts for now. As I did mention earlier, I am looking at adding the spring and summer collections. Once I have those sets, I can do a conversion chart for them as well. Actually, I might wait until all the season sets have arrived so I'm not doubling up on my work, and just do a conversion chart for all 4 seasons at once. The Harmonious pencils were the only one of the 3 sets that we're going to be using that I hadn't color matched yet. So you can now convert pencils from the Soft Touch, the Pastel Tints and the Harmonious collections over to your Prismacolors and then on to other brands using my other charts. Now, if you're using PaletteKit, you've actually been able to access these conversions for quite a while now. That is one of the nice things about that website. I can add new pencil sets and you will get instant access to pencil conversions. For those not on PaletteKit, the rest of the Castle Art conversions are included in my old conversion chart, the really large one that I think it currently covers like 14 different colored pencil brands. I will link that one down below. I decided to keep the Harmonious chart separate from that because the master conversion document has become so large that it is no longer practical to keep updating every time a new pencil set is released. In fact, the practicality or the lack of is one of the reasons PaletteKit actually came into existence in the first place. It gives me a much easier way to keep everything up to date and in one place. And of course, you can also convert any of these Castle Art pencils to any of the other brands you own directly inside PaletteKit at the touch of a button. And there are currently 20 different colored pencil brands available to convert between, including the Derwent Inktense. So you guys have been asking for that one. I was waiting for a little bit of a change to happen first, but my brother hasn't gotten to complete the changes yet. So I have added them in anyway, and we'll sort that out when the time comes. But Derwent Inktense have now been uploaded to PaletteKit. The other resource that I have for you is my full swatch chart. So that is our pencil conversion. There actually wasn't a whole heap of conversions with these lighter colors. And here is our swatch chart. Now I have slotted in the 120 Soft Touch, the 48 Pastel Tints and the 72 Harmonious. I should put a 72 there. I might change that for your chart for when you download. So they are all now together in this swatch chart into my preferred color order. And this actually took me a lot longer than you would expect. But look how pretty they all look together. And I did make my title here a little bit smaller because it already fits on, I think it's like 4 pages. Look at that. They're so pretty. What a fantastic and complete colour range we have here with the Castle Arts. Such beautiful colours. Let me fan that out so you can see them all. Look at all those blues and greens. There's something from every colour family here. Could have done with a few more reds, perhaps, but other than that, such a beautiful colour range we've got going on. So if you have been watching my pencil to paper comparison series, you'll know that the Castle Arts have actually been performing pretty well overall. I will link that playlist up above here too if you're interested in seeing all of those results. So I have rearranged all 240 pencils into what I think is a much smoother color progression, making it easier for me to choose colors and blends between them. So they are in the same order as all of my other swatch charts as well, if you've had them downloaded. So you can easily look at the page and then pick up one of the other swatch charts and find a match. And I can show you what I mean. Actually, right in front of me is, I haven't put away my polychromos yet. So if we take a look here with the polychromos and you take a look here, so the 140 set and the Castle Arts, and you can see here automatically, you can have a look down here and see, oops, would help if that was on screen. If you have a look down here at these greens, and they're a good match to these greens, or even that one, and then your blues, these sort of tones here come in here, that kind of thing. So you can have a look between the swatch charts and find a match to convert it to. So if you'd like to combine all of your 3 sets into one pencil case, everything is already organized here for you. Personally, I find it much easier having all of my pencils together rather than reaching for 3 separate cases, which I currently have each time I color. So there are 240 pencils in total across the 3 sets. So we're going to need at least a 300 slot pencil case, I think, to be able to store them all together. So all of the resources that I am showing you are completely free to download, and you'll find links to everything in the video description, along with the link to PaletteKit too, if you'd like to check that out as well. So as with all of my color combo series, I will be creating 12 color combinations for each of the color families. So making sure they cover a broad range within that family. Rather than giving you dozens of combinations to sort through, I'd rather focus on 12 carefully chosen color variations. It's going to give you a solid starting point for almost any coloring page. There's going to be a color for every element, every mood. If you would like even more options, though, that is where PaletteKit comes in. You'll find an even larger collection of color combinations on there. So you can search through that huge library of color combos whenever you're looking for something specific. So every color combination that I will feature in this series, I will also add to PaletteKit. That'll be up there before the videos go live. And of course, from PaletteKit, you can convert the combinations into any of the other pencil brands in your collection. I have also previously created Castle Arts color combinations for flowers and leaves. Now that was part of my Spotlight series from, I think 5 or 6 years ago. Actually, the Spotlight series has color combos for so many different brands, like Luminance, Brutfina, Arteza, Crayola, all those brands that we haven't yet done combo series for. And of course, all of the usual culprits as well. I feel like this series of mine has been around since the dark ages. No one can say I'm not dedicated though, that's for sure. I will link those videos up above or in the video description, or both. And you'll also find them in my Castle Arts color combo playlist if you like even more ideas. And of course, all the other brands I've mentioned too, they have their own playlist. So if you're looking for Luminance combos, there is a playlist for that. There's a playlist for the Arteza color combos, that kind of thing. And I think there actually is a Spotlight series playlist too. If there is, I will link that here. So just quickly, where are we? Castle Arts. So these are the Spotlight combinations that I'm talking about here. The color combos in this new series don't include these combos. So think of these as bonus combinations if you'd like even more inspiration, and everything else that will be included in our sheets, like this is our chroma flow sheets. Everything else that will be included will be different to these ones. So there'll be all new ones. A few people have also asked me about the newer Castle Art sets, the spring, the summer collections, and like I mentioned, I haven't picked those up yet. So for now, this series is going to just focus on soft touch the Pasteltints and the Harmonious collections. Once I eventually get the seasonal sets, I'll see how they fit into the overall range. I'm not quite sure if they might work better as their own separate series, so just a seasonal series, or if they might become part of this collection. So the Pasteltints and the Harmonious were meant to be additions to the Soft Touch, the 120 Soft Touch. Similar to kind of how I've handled the Black Widows series, and we've got the Black Widow combos here. And we use all the different series for the Black Widow combos. I don't currently have the Castle Art gold pencils, but when I do get a hold of them, they will definitely stay as their own standalone range. So when it comes to the Castle Arts, we've got the Soft Touch, the Pasteltints and the Harmonious, which I'm including in one color combo series and also the one swatch chart. The golds will be completely separate, their own swatch chart, their own color combo series, and it'll be separated in PaletteKit as well. And I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with the seasonals yet because I haven't got the pencils in my hand. Once I do, I'll know where they're going to fit in within the range as well, and if they're going to be like a standalone series or not. As always, if you have any questions at all for me, just leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help as usual. Have fun swatching, guys, and I will see you in our first Castle Art color combo video. Actually, which color family would you like to see first? I normally start with my blues or my greens because they're my most used colors, but let me know in the comments below, or actually if you want, you can leave me a colored heart that matches your choice, like a blue heart or something. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget all of these free downloads, conversion chart, swatch chart, links to PaletteKit, they're all waiting for you in the description below if you want to check them out. So take care, happy coloring, and bye for now.